Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play online in FC26. Alright, let's begin. FC26 offers multiple ways to play online with friends or random players. The first mode is Seasons. Here, you can pick any team and play online matches against random opponents. Winning games helps you rank up and progress through divisions. To start, select Play Match, choose your team, and tap Search to find an opponent. You can also play online friendlies. From the main menu, select Online Friendlies, create a match, and invite a friend or play against a random player. If you want to team up with a friend for ranked play, try Co-op Seasons. Select Co-op Seasons, then create or load a season to play together. Another popular mode is Ultimate Team. Here, you build your own squad with favorite players and compete online. Go to the Play section to try Rush, a fast 5 vs 5 mode, or Rivals, where you use your full Ultimate Team squad competitively. You can also play Ultimate Team friendlies by inviting a friend or playing against random players. Lastly, Clubs lets you create a virtual pro player and join or create a club. Matches are 11 vs 11 with real players, so that's basically how you can play online in FC26. That's it for this video. Thanks!